Australia Easiest PR Pathway in 2025, the DAMA Program Australia Visa Update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for the easiest way to get permanent residency in Australia in 2025, then you're going to love this update. Today, we're diving into the DAMA program, one of the fastest and most flexible pathways for skilled workers to get PR in Australia. I'll break down exactly how it works, what's new for 2025, and what steps you should take to maximize your chances. So first, let's start with some context. DAMA stands for Designated Area Migration Agreement. It's an agreement between the Australian government and regional areas that allows certain skilled workers to get visas even if they don't meet the standard PR requirements. Basically, it's a shortcut for people willing to live and work in regional Australia. And in 2025, this program is getting even more accessible with updated job lists and easier eligibility criteria. Now, you might be wondering why DAMA? Well, regional Australia has been facing serious skill shortages, especially in healthcare, hospitality, IT, and engineering sectors. To attract talent, these regional areas can sponsor workers under DAMA, which means they can bypass some of the strict points requirements you'd normally face for a skilled PR visa. This is huge for anyone struggling to meet the usual points threshold. Here's what's changing for 2025. First, there's a wider range of eligible occupations. Jobs like nurses, chefs, IT professionals, and even some trades are now included in the DAMA list. Second, the English language requirements have been slightly relaxed for some categories. That means you might not need the highest IELTS score to qualify. Third, the pathway to PR has become more straightforward. Once you work in a designated area under a DAMA-sponsored visa for a set period, you can directly apply for permanent residency without the usual long wait times. Let's talk numbers for a second because this is important. If you qualify for a DAMA visa, your temporary work visa can last anywhere from 2 to 4 years, depending on your occupation. During this time, you'll gain the work experience and residency requirements needed for PR. In many cases, people have reported getting their PR applications approved within 2 years of starting under DAMA. That's much faster compared to other skilled visa pathways. So how do you know if you're eligible? First, check the DAMA occupation list for your region. Each designated area has its own list, so it's crucial to match your job to the right location. Second, make sure you have a job offer from an employer in a DAMA region. Without a sponsor, you can't apply. And third, check your visa requirements, education, experience, and English level. Remember, some regions now offer concessions if you don't meet the usual points, which is a big bonus. Now, here's a tip for maximizing your chances. Start by identifying which DAMA region best suits your occupation. Some regions have more demand and less competition, which can increase your chances of approval. Next, reach out to potential employers early. Employers familiar with DAMA sponsorship often help with paperwork and guide you through the process. And finally, prepare your documents carefully: qualifications, experience letters, and English test results, because even small mistakes can delay your application. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that DAMA is not permanent in all regions. Some agreements have specific timelines, so acting quickly in 2025 is essential. If you're serious about Australian PR, this is one of the most practical and efficient pathways available right now. Alright, that's it for today's update. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more visa updates, and comment below if you're planning to apply under the DAMA program. I'd love to hear which region you're interested in and what your dream job in Australia is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more updates to help you get your Australian PR faster and smarter.